Now I feel bad for changing my preference. But you do have a light lobby. Good luck, everybody, except for Jason. 4. Alright, I'm at him. AKA upping at him.
No.
Ooh, got us a little knife action here. Nice. Let's try to get this car fixed. Jason will be here very shortly, folks. Got us a map. And the fuse. Okay. Alright, I think I know. Guys, if y'all see the phone house, let me know. I think I found it though. Ah! Bro, somebody fixed your phone and it wasn't me, bro. Oh, what the hell, dude? It wasn't me, bro. It was La Choppa did it. It was La Choppa. Oh, don't do that. Come on, bro. Jason's over here by the phone, guys. Mid-map-ish. Still over here. Shit. I gotta find the phone, quick. He's gonna know, he's gonna know! Son of a bitch! No! You dirty birdie. Honestly, I shouldn't fix the phone that fast when a friend of mine is playing Jason. That's kind of a dick move. Jason, what the hell, dude? I've worked so hard on that phone and you keep popping it. Why you do this? I'm a very hard worker. Go away. Jason's still up here by the phone, guys. Wait, let's find out where it is first. There it is.
Yes.
Do it, do it, do it. I'll guard it. Good job.
We're the kids at Camp Crystal Lake. We need you. We need you now.
I'm sorry, Nezuko. I had to. Wow. Because you called him a lazy bum, bro. That's funny. Oh, the two-seater's all the way fixed, huh? Nice. Mm. 3 minutes 45 for the coppers, y'all. Nice. And we'll move lobbies after this, by the way, because it's not fair if we just play this over and over again. Oop, oop. I can't go in there. Oh. Damn, they just drove out. Nice, guys. Oh, yeah. Good job with the two. Damn it. He's enraged. Oh no, you're good. Hold on. I don't know where are my glasses? Oh. Can't find them now. Oh. Sure. I mean, I don't know how to do any of that stuff. I barely know how to. I'm not gonna participate in this. Nezuko, I'm not gonna participate in this. Oh man, they're gonna kill my friend. I'm sorry, Nezuko. We'll switch lobbies after this because they're stuck on Packanack Small. I'm a conscientious objector to this kill. Could actually go sabotage him a little. Oh shit, he killed Tommy? Nah, I don't have a Discord. Damn. They killed Tommy. Ah, what? I wasn't even helping! No worries. I deserved it for that phone. GG's. I wasn't even helping him with that kill attempt, bro. That's funny. I deserved it. Oh well, we got two people out. No, I don't know even like how to run a Discord thing. I just kind of. Oh, she got a knife. I know it.
Help! Oh God! No!
Just hit him with that sweater if you have to. That would have been funny if the mask fell off right there. Ooh! I hope Jason gets her. Get him, Jason. Kill him. He can always just freeze him with that sweater. What is Jason doing now? Oh, he's going to get a knife. Or is he trying to do a shift on him? What the hell? Alright, guys. I got one more after this. We'll do one more. As it is 10:13. Damn, she just wanted to hit him with that second knife. What a dirty bitch.
Jason, Mother is talking to you. Put the weapon...
GG's, y'all. GG's. I can't believe you killed me, Nezuko. I wasn't even helping him try to kill you, bro. That was so rude. Nah, just kidding. I did call the cops and was annoying you. Alright, GG's, GG's. If they do pack small again, we'll back out of this one. GG's, GG's. Alright, that'll work. One more for me, guys. We'll call it a day. Oh, okay. I can't invite anybody right now. It's not letting me invite people. I can invite when we get to the loading screen. Oh shit, I'm having...